Okay, I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we will try to make a video here, show you I'm splitting some wood, and I thought that I would shoot a video of me splitting the wood so you can have something to look at. Something new. Something new on YouTube. It's pretty boring. Kind of like watching some of the grass grow. But gets the job done. Gets the job done. Keeps me healthy. It's a beautiful night tonight. Today is Monday, 27th. I got my taxes done today. There's always a relief. And then go on. Get ready for next winter. My dad always told me. Hi, Dad. No, he always told me, he said, spend your summers getting ready for the winter. It might have taken me a while, but I took it literally. And the way I look at it, once I get done with all that, then I can enjoy the summer, which is important too. Yeah, sometimes I compare this to making matchsticks. But it works pretty good. I have done it by hand, in case you're wondering. I still think this is faster. Been pretty busy at the new shop. Which is a blessing, because I thought I was going to be probably a little bored. But no. If this works, I'll shoot another video this way some other time. But I can't see to tell if you can even see me. If you can't see me, what's the sense in shooting a video, right? I do this when I can for about an hour a night. This puts a lot of words in an hour. Oh, that's it, I guess. I just wanted to get something for you up on YouTube for you to look at. I'm going to keep doing this for a while, but I think you get a little bored. So, anyway, I love you, Mom. Love you, Pops. See you next time. Bye-bye.